pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my brain looks so disgusting. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, guys. Your girl Patricia here, back with another video. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, my name's Patricia. Duh. Anyway, today's video we're doing a makeover to my garden, so I thought I would just vlog and take you guys along. So we're doing some shopping, so we're gonna go B&M and I think PD, which I don't really know what kind of shop this is. It's like a, anyway, I'm gonna take you guys through it and we're gonna buy like all garden stuff. So I'm gonna go show you guys throughout what we're gonna buy, and then I'll show you guys also doing the whole makeover in the garden and like a before and after. So anyway, if you're new to this channel, definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and follow me all on my all socials: Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Anyway, let's just get into this video. I wanted thingy one, wood, not like this. Okay guys, we're literally going to B&M now, which is just over there, but we are going to drive there, so yeah, so I'll show you guys once we get there what we're gonna get, because I wanted to check like 2 different shops. I've checked B&M before, so I know what they have, but I still wanted to just come here and check, and I was just gonna go and see something else, and then we might come back again to this shop. So yeah, so guys, we just left B&M and they didn't have nothing I wanted, so we came back to KD now. And yeah, so we're just gonna take it from here because they are stock in B&M. But we didn't have what we wanted, so I decided to take this one instead. So yeah, that's what we're taking. We're literally just gonna see some plants now. I wanna go. And yeah, we might have to go back to B&M. Oh guys, look, this is so cute. I love that one. Look how nice it is, guys. That one is so nice. Guys, this is literally how we're taking everything, and I'm like sweating crazy. And obviously we forgot we went back to B&M so we can get the pillows and stuff, so we're gonna go back there now, but we got pretty much everything. And yeah, I'll tell you about prices and everything once I get home. But yeah, that was good, that was good. Like I was saying, we couldn't get the pillows in the shop we were at KD, so we came back to B&M to see nicer pillows because I didn't like the ones in KD. So we came in here again, so we are again in the line, and I think we just need like 4 pillows. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys with that, and then we're gonna go home finally. I'm so thirsty and hungry. Okay guys, so this is the garden before, right? This is literally what it looks like. So yeah, so this is it, right? Happy. Hello, say hello, say hi. Say hi, Roy. Anyway, back to this. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, we've got some of our toilet mats drying, but yeah, we got our plants in there. What's wrong, Roy? We got our plants in there, and this is it. So this is the before. So guys, we're literally in the garden now, and I have the camera on autofocus, and it's the first time I'm recording outside, so I really don't know how the sound's gonna be, but my phone died, so I'm gonna be using this camera now, and it will be on autofocus, so that'll be a bit annoying. Actually, I might just do landscape and just, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. But anyway, we're about to build this whole thing now, so gonna be doing it. I can't have this on autofocus. I just can't. Is it focused? I hope it is. But anyway, like I was saying, we're gonna be outside here and we're gonna be filming everything. So I'm gonna put on landscape and hopefully it'll be a little bit focused. But yeah, Roy's all over it, but I organized this in the section. So that's A, B, C, D, E, F. So I'm literally, you love my Crocs, right? So I'm literally doing by that way, and obviously supposed to do it in with those, so it's super high, and obviously I'm so short. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna try.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Okay, we're nearly done. I just finished building this and I'm gonna now put the plants in there. There, so that just needs to go to the bin because it's broken, but this is literally what it looks like. The boys obviously around. The pillows look super cute in here. I just really like them. And then I put this plant in here. Oh my god, I have hiccups. I put this plant in here, which looks super cute. We had those chairs from before it came with this table, but we just decided to leave it there in case we have extra guests. But yeah, I need to kind of try sort out those wires and also the ones over there. But yeah, and then this section here where my mom's plants are, and it all looks like this. Is it focused? yeah, so it all looks like this. And we left the like water ones in there because of my dog, so he doesn't reach it. And then over this side we left them there, but we're gonna like fix them because those ones are quite tall, so they don't fit in here. So we only let these ones there, and those ones gonna remain in there, but we're just gonna make it small, like probably get a smaller table or something. But yeah, so that is the outline, and look, it's super big. Like, I can't believe I built this whole thing, you know, like, but it looks so very cute. So yeah, and then we also have like some light in here. So wait, we also have some light in here, so I'm gonna fix that lighting. And yeah, so yeah, that is all now. I'm literally going to show you guys the before and after, but just before we go, if you watch all the way here, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also definitely make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did like this video, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active on Insta, like every day, and Snapchat and TikTok. And also, no, that's all, just subscribe. Anyway, oh, subscribe and make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And again, let's just see the before and after. Thank you for watching. Bye.